days ago, on 1st of October 2025, Government of India officially approved Ozempic in India. If you're on social media, you must have heard this word somewhere, either in some of the Bollywood interviews or somewhere on the news channel, and you must have seen some of the Bollywood celebrities or influencers suddenly getting fit, suddenly achieving the fitness goals. And when they were asked about this sudden change that they got, they all pointed out to Ozempic. Hi guys, my name is Shraddha. This is a new channel, so please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So 2-3 years ago, this entire buzz of Ozempic started, especially in USA and Europe. Some of the Hollywood stars started getting fit immediately, and this entire term of Ozempic started catching up. So because I wanted to make this video, I started searching Ozempic on Google, and it actually directed me to the page of semaglutide. Even I was confused. After a bit of reading, I understood Ozempic is a brand name for medicine and semaglutide is actually active ingredient. If you want to understand in better way, semaglutide is actually paracetamol and Ozempic is like Crocin or Dolo 650. How semaglutide was actually invented? Scientists knew about a natural hormone in the body called GLP-1 that helps control blood sugar and appetite. Problem was GLP-1 breaks down too fast, so it could not be used as a medicine. In the 1990s, researchers found a similar substance in the saliva of Gila monster lizard that lasted much longer. Inspired by this, the Danish company Novo Nordisk created a new, stable version that could stay in the body for a week. That became semaglutide, launched first in 2017 for type 2 diabetes. During diabetes trials, doctors noticed that patients who were consuming semaglutide not only lowering blood sugars but also losing weight. The drug worked by reducing appetite, slowing digestion, and making people feel full faster. Soon, researchers tested it only for weight loss. This led to Wegovy, approved in 2021. It's another brand like Ozempic. After that, social media and celebrities started talking about it, and it became widely seen as weight loss shot. Since 2021, it started gaining popularity in US and Europe. The question is why the approval in India has come so late. In India, Ozempic is only approved for type 2 diabetes treatment as of October 2025. Using it just for weight loss or fitness without medical need is considered off-label use, and regulators have raised concern about misuse. All these Bollywood celebrities and influencers have been marketing this since last 1 year. You must have seen on social media. The problem is actually off-label use of this Ozempic. I totally understand if someone is in their 50s or 60s or 70s or have some medical conditions and then they are recommended to this particular dosage of Ozempic, that's fine. It's been doctor recommended. But people like you and me who are younger and healthier should not run after Ozempic as a weight loss cure. Also, in India, there are experts who have warned about duplicate or non genuine production and distribution. Indian pharma industry experts mention the grey line in between. So, before you go ahead and think of Ozempic as a weight loss cure, wait. This is not some random medicine or wellness supplement you should pick. The doctor's recommendation is must. Not just you, but if you have anyone around you who is willing to take this, ask them to stop and follow the medical guidelines. So that's it for today, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It's a new channel, so I would appreciate all the love, care, appreciation, feedback that comes my way. And see you for the next video. Thank you.